Good morning. Good morning. Do you hear me loud and clear? Wait. Hello. Good morning. Ayan. So, before we start our lesson, please go to www.menti.com and type the code 66286967. Again, please go to www. Char! Parang ano live streamer talaga. Go to www.menti.com. Char! Okay. And then type the code 66286967. Good morning, Clarence, Akisha, Kian, Jania, Darlene, Dominic, Yuri, Beatrice, Michiko, and Marian. Good morning sa inyo. Hello. So, wait lang. I-send ko din sa group chat natin para makita ng mga classmates nyo. Yan. And good morning also to Henrich and Gregory. Hello. Hello there. So again, please go to www.menti.com. So I already have 11 students. Good morning also to Maestro and Domingo. Hello. So, ayan na. Nasaan na kaya yung iba? So, ayun. Let's go now to menti.com. May hahabol pa ba? Also to Kira Lay. Good morning. Hello. Okay. So, let's now go to menti.com. Okay. Ay! Mali. Wait. That's not the question. Yan. Also to Jean Narciso. Uy, Gab. Sige, ang aga mo naman sumali. 9 to 10 tayo. And also to Hanilin. Okay. You may start now by answering the question, what is your favorite color? Yan. So, 8 students na yung nagsagot. Ayun, siyam. And nadadagdagan pa. Okay? Let's wait for the others. So, dun sa hindi pa nakapagsagot, type nyo lang sa Google Chrome www.menti.com tapos yung code 66286967. Okay, so meron ng 14 students na nagsagot. Meron pa kaya? Ang nakalagay dito, 17 students are watching. Okay. So, ayun. After you answer the question, balik po kayo dito sa ating discussion. Hello? So, good morning also to Laroya and RJ. Ayan. So, kung nakikinig kayo, dapat nakabalik na kayo ulit dito sa ating discussion. Good morning also to Volante. Ayan. From the given question, what is your favorite color? How many answered green? How many answered green? If you are really here. Oh, ayun, nadadagdagan pa pala yung sagot. Okay, that's correct, Akisha. 3 students answered that green is their favorite color. Okay, that's correct. Your answers are all correct. How about with violet? How many answered violet? Okay, 5. And then, yung sa iba kasi na-delay. Okay, next one. How many students answered the given question? How many students answered the given question? Nakikita nyo yun sa pinakagilid. Pwede nyo rin bilangin. How many? Okay, that's correct. 16 students answered the given question, what is your favorite color? So, later on, we'll try to process this. So, medyo nagbabago yung sagot dahil merong nalilate ng pagsagot. Pero kanina 16 to. Ngayon 17 na siya. That's okay. As long as you know how to look with the given illustration and try to identify what is being asked. So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala namang ibang given kasi andun na kagad yung kung ilan yung number of students who voted for that certain color. Okay? So, next. Lang. Skip ko lang to. Meron pa tayong next question. Asan na yun? Next one. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang yung isang question. Ay, not this. Ayan. Go to menti.com and type the code 5137 5142. 5137 5142. Yan. Nakikita nyo rin ba yung sagot? Yan. So, after you vote, you can go back to our YouTube channel para makikita nyo yung dami ng mga sagot or makikita nyo yung mga sumasagot. So, 11 students na yung nagsagot. So, lamang yung Jollibee. Ayan, lamang po si Jollibee. Okay. So, now, let's try to process the answers. So, ayun. Meron akong 20. Oh, ayun, nadadagdagan ko siya. So, I have 21 students who answered the question, what is your favorite fast food chain? 8 yung pumili sa Jollibee, 3 KFC, 6 sa McDo, 2 for Greenwich, 0 sa Shakey's, 1 sa Burger King, and 1 sa Chowking. Okay. So now, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Do you have any idea? So, today will be the start of our new lesson for the 4th quarter, which is about statistics. That's correct. Okay. Ayan, very good. Well, it is said that if there's a problem, then there is math. Because in math, you will not just solve for the numbers. So when there are given problems that you have to analyze, then math pa rin yun. So ibig sabihin sa tanong na ito, kahit ang tanong ay hindi ka magsasolve, meron siyang math. Nakukuha po ba? Hindi porke wala kang isosolve, wala ng math. Meron pa rin palang math from the simple questions. Pero, ano dapat yung ibibigay mo na tanong? At ano dapat yung mga makukuha mong sagot? Nakukuha po? Hello? Sige nga. Okay. Sige nga. Kayo naman. Try to think of a question that will start with what? Halimbawa, kung kayo ang magbibigay ng tanong, ano yung tanong na itatanong nyo? And that question must start with what? Yung tanong nyo daw dapat nagsisimula sa what? So, try to make a question. Go to menti.com, type 5967. Punta po kayo sa menti.com. Punta kayo sa Menti. Not there. 5967 4951. Again, type the code 5967-4951. Okay? And then we will try to process your answers. Because your answers are question. So, ayun, nakikita natin may nauulit. Okay, meron ng 10 students na nagbigay ng tanong. What flavor of ice cream do you prefer? What is Earth? What is your favorite subject? What is your number? What is your name? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite brand of pad? Tapos, what's your name again? What happens if the sun exploded? What is your favorite anime? Hala. Ayan. What is your zodiac sign? What is math? What does math stand for? What's on your mind? What is the most painful thing that happened to you? And then what is your favorite song? Okay. Very good. At least I know you can make questions or you can form a question. Now, in here, from your given questions, this is where how we are going to start our lesson about statistics. So, mula dito sa mga binigay nyo, dito tayo magsisimula. Ayan. So, nakita nyo naman yan, ha? And then, you yourself will try to process kung pwede ba yung binigay nyo na tanong. Okay? Okay? So, puntahan natin yung slide. Ayan. So, in our lesson, Introduction to Statistics, let's try to define it first. It is said that statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, organizing, and interpreting the data. So again, a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting. So what are those things that you have to collect? What are those things that you have to organize? And then what are those things that you have to interpret? So balikan natin yung binigay nyo na tanong. Ayan. Sa mga given na questions, yan. Alin dyan sa palagay nyo ang meron kayong makokolekta na data? Yung pag tinanong nyo, meron talaga kayong makukuhang sagot from certain persons. Certain group of persons or individual. Okay lahat. Pero, the answers will vary. Okay. Lahat naman meron tayong makukuhang sagot. Pero, merong mga sagot na madami ang sagot, meron din namang sagot na konti lang ang pwedeng maging sagot. May mga sagot na wait lang, tingnan ko yung iba yung ginawa ha. May nagbigay pa kasi dito. What's on your mind? What is the most painful thing that happened to you? What is your favorite song? What is your favorite place to go? And what is your favorite number? So, I observe sa mga binigay nyong tanong, lahat ng mga ibinigay nyo ay answerable by or can be answered through what? Hello? Paano siya pwedeng sagutin yung mga binigay nyong tanong? Hello? Nandito pa ba kayo? Uy, ba't walang nag-chat? Yes? Sige, malawak din naman yun kasi yung binigay kong tanong. It is answerable by your own opinion. It can be answered by yourselves. Kayang-kayang sagutin ng lahat. Sige. Your idea are all correct. But by your own perspective and opinion, tama. Your idea are all correct. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung statistics, malawak. Malawak pala siya. Paano siya sisimulan ng isang grade 7 students? Kaya, sinimulan natin siya as this. We try to make questions. We try to make problems. These questions are not really problems, but it can start a problem because you're giving questions to others na pwedeng mag-iisip sila ng mga isasagot. Now in here, kung mapapansin nyo, ang mga sagot na ilalagay dito ay hindi numbers. Dun yan sa mga binigay ninyo, di ba? Lahat ng tanong na binigay nyo can be answered by words, can be answered by descriptions. Tama? Ngayon, meron bang mga tanong na number ang magiging sagot? Ayun, may naglagay. What is your height? Ayan. Ano pa kaya? Can you add more? Makakatype pa ba kayo uli ng sagot? Sige, kung hindi na, ayos lang yun. Pabalikan natin yung slide. So, again, as you observe, most of your questions are answerable by or can be answered through words or description. Hindi mo siya masasagot numerical. Pero okay lang yun. Kasi yun yung mga tanong na madaling ma-formulate, magawa. And from those questions, ano yung pwede mo makuha? Pag nagtanong ka, ano yung makukuha mo? Please type your answers. Kung may binigay ka na tanong, ano yung makukuha mo? Correct information. Ano pa? Aside from information, aside from it. Yes, Bako, you can get answers. So, makakakolekta ka ng information, ng answer, ng data, ng knowledge. Uy, sino si Gabriel? Okay. So, kapag may binigay ka na tanong, ayan yung mga posibleng makuha mo. Ngayon, ano yung gagawin mo sa nakuha mo? Possible outcomes and informations about those answers to different questions. Ang haba ng sagot Okay. The question is, kapag nagbigay ka ng tanong, di ba makakakuha ka ng mga sagot. Makakapag-collect ka ng mga sagot, ng mga data, ng mga information. Ano yung sunod mong gagawin? That's correct, Laroya. Ayun na rin, yung kasunod. You have to organize. And how can you organize those answers, those information, those knowledge, those data that you gathered? That's correct, Taringal. You can use graph. Pwede mong i-graph. And then, when you graph it, you can now already present it. Okay? So, diba? Kita nyo? Sa definition pa lang, marami na tayong pwedeng ma-discuss about statistics. Kaso, ang dami pa pala niya, Balikan natin yung sinagutan nyo kanina. Okay. Let's go back with this. Ayan. Nakikita ko yung mga sagot niya, ha? You will present it. You will summarize the other answer. Okay. Let's go back to the given question a while ago. From the simple question, what is your favorite fast food chain? I gave you the question. And then, I gave you a question through a survey. At ang ginamit ko ay menti.com dahil wala tayong face-to-face. So, you can survey them, you can ask them using social media, right? Okay, so ito na yon. Na-collect na yung data. Pero, ano yung kinaibahan ng pagkakakolekt dito? Ano yung napansin nyo? Nakaano na agad siya? Nakaano na? Tinanong ko lang kayo, pero diretsong nakaganyan na siya. Ano yung napansin nyo? Nakaano na agad? Nakagraph na agad, correct. And then, tama, nakagraph na, nakaayos na, organized na agad. Unlike kapag nagtanong ka lang pa isa-isa. Diba? And ano yung tawag sa graph na ito? That's correct. Naka-arrange, nakaayos, naka-organize, naka-note na. Ano yung tawag sa graph na ito? Bar graph. Correct. Bar graph. There are many kinds of graph, but this one is a bar graph. Okay? So, ulitin natin, nakapag-collect na, nakapag-organize na. Sino nag-organize? Si menti.com na kaagad. But later on, ituturo ko din kung paano gumawa ng mga different kinds of graph. So, again, ulitin natin. We already collected. We already organized. And what could be the last one? Ano na kaya ang sunod nating gagawin? We will what? We will? What could be the last one? What could be the last one? Yes, Claro, yeah, that's correct. We will now interpret. We will now interpret the data that we gathered. So, from this, from here, you yourself, ano yung masasabi mo? Mula sa nakita mong tanong, mula sa mga nakalagay na sagot, ano yung masasabi mo mula sa survey or sa question na ito? Or kung ikaw yung mag-i-interpret, ano yung masasabi mo? Sige nga, you try. Ay! Good morning po, sir. So, welcome to our guest, Sir Juned. How about the other students? What can you say? How can you interpret the data that we gathered from menti.com, from the question? Thank you po. Thank you, sir. So, aside from okay, very good. So, see? We will not just focus on Jollibee. May nagsagot din ng Shaky has no vote. Okay, Karingal, that's correct. Jollibee has the highest vote, which means to say that Jollibee is the most favorite fast food chain of these 21 students. Okay, see? We have same data. We have similar data that was gathered a while ago. But you yourself know how to interpret the data. Ano yung nakatulong sa inyo? So, ayan, ang ganda ng mga sagot ni Simon, Kian, Michiko, Ian, Bako. So, ano yung nakatulong sa inyo to answer this? Ano yung nakatulong sa inyo to interpret this? Ano po yung nakatulong sa inyo to interpret? Interpret the graph. Correct. See? So, i-compare natin siya dun sa kanina. I-compare natin siya. Dun sa ginawa natin kanina. Good morning, Tabales. So, early, Tabales, ha? Ano na nga yung tanong ko kanina? Yung, what is your favorite color? Balikan natin. See, nasa isang slide pa lang tayo, which is the definition of the statistics. Ang dami na kagad nating na-discuss. So, that's the beauty of math. Math is not just about numbers. It's about things around us. Asan na yun? Yung tanong ko kanina, what is your favorite color? Ito ba yun? Ayan. Okay. Let's go back to the first question that you have answered a while ago. Ayan. Observe. What can you say with the data gathered? Ano yung mapapansin nyo sa data na nag-gather? Magulo ba ito? Mahirap ba itong ma-interpret? Okay? Sige, Bako, the violet has many votes. Okay, it's organized also. Tama. What kind of graph is this? Okay, it's organized. Good morning, John Paul. Okay, from your answers a while ago, ayan. You can still easily interpret and identify the answer. Now, what kind of graph is this? Meron bang graph dito? Meron o wala? Meron o wala? Pictograph. And what graph was used? You used picture. And what pictures were used? Those circles. Those circles. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, kahit pala hindi siya nakagraph, madali pa rin siyang mai-interpret as long as ano, what is the word that you always have to remember? The word that you always have to consider that when you gather your data, when you collect your data, ano dapat yung susunod? Yes, that's correct, Miss Michiko. As long as it is organized, then you can easily interpret. Okay? So, you always have to organize. Okay? Naunawaan na po. So, ito yung idea natin. Ito yung papasukin natin about statistics. Yan. Very good. So, yung simula pa lang, yan. Ngayon, balikan na natin ito. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, diba, andun pa lang tayo sa definition, pero marami na tayong natakel. Now, what's next? Okay, I'll try to present. What's next? So in here, we're going to identify and differentiate the basic statistical terms. So these are the terms, these are the words that you're going to study or you're going to encounter while studying statistics. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga words na paulit-ulit yung may encounter while studying statistics. First one is population. So let's just read the definition. It refers to the totality of all elements or person for which one has an interest at a particular time. So you have to remember the word totality of all the elements. Parang yung pinag-aralan natin sa first grading. Yun yung universal set. The set of all the elements. Ngayon naman, sample. Sample is part of a population determined by sampling procedures denoted by N. So, katulad pa rin, halimbawa, meron tayong universal set. And then, a universal set as a subset. Yun yung tinatawag na sample. So, sabi, mas madali itong intindihin kung meron tayong illustration. For example, here. Yan, population, the totality of certain group of people. Yan. Then, if this is the population, what will be the sample? So, ano yung napansin? Ano yung napansin? Ano yung sample? Ano yung connection niya sa population? Good morning. Hello? Kumunti yung population. No, ang pansinin po ninyo ay yung sample. Ay, balikan natin. Saan nanggaling yung sample? Yon. Yung sample, parte or nanggaling siya dun sa population. So, ibig sabihin, kumuha ka ng sample mula sa population. Nakukuha? So, halimbawa, ayan, ang dami mong tatanungin. Hindi mo sila lahat tatanungin. Kukuha ka lang sa kanila. Nagigets? Hindi mo naman talaga binawasan yung population. Kumuha ka lang ng tatanungin mo. Kasi instead na tanungin mo silang lahat, kumuha ka sa kanila ng mga pwede mong tanungin. Get it? Gets na ba? Hello? 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 Okay. Uulitin ko ha. Yung population, hindi mo binawasan. Yun pa rin yun. Yung sample, yun lang yung pinili mo tanungin. Okay? At yung sample ay dapat manggaling sa population. For example, kayo, yung section nyo, section Makajos. Kung kayo yung population, di ba kayo ay 54. Ano yung sample? E di yung kayo lang na natanong ko ngayon. Yung mga pinili ko lang. Well, actually, hindi ko kayo pinili. Kayo yung pumili na uma-attend kayo ng klase. So, in higher math, pag-aaralan nyo din yung different kinds of sample, the different kinds of sampling technique. Kasi alam nyo ba, itong statistics nung unang panahon, pinag-aaralan siya ng 4th year high school. Bakit? Kasi kasunod na nito yung research. Pero ngayon, nasa grade 7 siya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, from geometry, biglang nag-statistics. That is because of K-12. Okay? So, marami pa tong uri, yung sample. Pag kumuha ka ng sample, hindi ka lang basta magtuturo, ito. Hindi. Meron niyang process. Halimbawa, sa population, sa bawat 5, kukuha ka ng isa. Sa bawat 5, kukuha ka ng isa. Iba-ibang paraan. Okay? So, next. Variable. It is a specific factor, property, or characteristics of a population or a sample that differentiates a sample or group of samples from another group. Ang hirap unawain, di ba? Kasi it's just a pure definition. So, ano mapapansin nyo? Kapag words lang, ang hirap i-absorb. So, dapat palaging meron tayong illustration to know more what is being described. Okay? So, nakalagay. Himay-himayin natin. It is a specific factor, property, or characteristics. Mga characteristics ng ng population o kaya ng sample na nag-iiba sa kanila mula sa iba pang sample or population ng ibang group. For example, ito. Halimbawa, ito yung variable. Ang variable ay meron pang dalawang uri, which is the quantitative and the qualitative. Let's start with the quantitative. From the word quantitative, the root word in here is quantity. And when we are talking about quantity, it's about the numerical. Ibig sabihin, may number. Kasi pag sinabing quantitative, yun ay yung dami. Dami ng ano. Okay? Next one is, kung quantitative siya, makla-classify mo pa siya as discrete or continuous. Anong example nun? Kapag discrete, nabibilang. Ibig sabihin, finite. Alam mo kung hanggang saan yung hangganan. Pero kapag yung continuous, hindi siya nabibilang. Hindi mo siya mabibilang, pero masusukat mo siya. It means, mame-measure mo. So, ibig sabihin, kapag discrete, hindi mo na kailangan ng instrument to measure. Pero kapag continuous, you need an instrument to measure it. Tingnan nyo ha, nakalagay, nabibilang, hindi nabibilang. Pero quantitative. So again, tatandaan, if you need an instrument to measure it, then that is continuous. Okay? Can you follow? Next one is qualitative. So, kung kanina, quantitative, quantity, qualitative, yun naman yung quality or yung kalidad. And, kung sa quantitative, numerical, numbers, ngayon naman, sa descriptive, that is description through words. So, dalawang uri dito. We have nominal and ordinal. Kapag nominal, unordered, ibig sabihin, kahit hindi sila magkakasunod, Kapag ordinal, kailangan may pagkakasunod-sunod. Halimbawa, yun sa tanong nyo, sige, magbibigay ako ng example ng question. And then, sasabihin nyo kung quantitative or qualitative. Okay? Halimbawa, how many are you in your family? How many are you in your family? Quantitative o qualitative? Ilan kayo sa pamilya nyo? Quantitative. Okay. Quantitative siya. Pero, alin siya doon? Discrete o continuous? So, hindi tayo magtatapos sa quantitative. Ano siya doon? Discrete o continuous? Okay, discrete. Kasi mabibilang mo. Kasi yung sa pamilya nyo yan maliban na lang doon sa hindi mo alam kung may iba kang pamilya. Pero sa iba na yon, pampelikula yon. Char! Next one. The next question. Wait lang, nagigets nyo ba? Baka nalilito kayo Ayan nilagay ko na nga at saka Tagalog na siya. Okay na? So, next. Next question. Wait lang, mag-iisip ako. Sige, yung kanina. What is your favorite fast food chain? Saan natin siya mailalagay? Quantitative, qualitative. What is your favorite fast food chain? Sa qualitative. Ano yun? Nominal or ordinal? Correct. Qualitative. Nominal or ordinal? Okay. Nominal. Hindi naman kailangan sunod-sunod Next. Try na natin siya dito. Identify if the statement is discrete or continuous. Number 1. Length ng table. Discrete or continuous? Again kapag kailangan mong ng instrument to measure, then that is continuous. Kapag kailangan mo, balikan natin hindi mo siya mabibilang, pero nasusukat. Tandaan nyo, iba yung nabibilang, iba yung nasusukat. Magkaiba yung nabibilang at nasusukat. Pag nabibilang, you can count. Kapag nasusukat, you can measure. Magkaiba po. You can count, you can measure. Okay. So, number 1, continuous. Hindi mo siya mabibilang. Susukatin mo siya. Gets po? Di ba makikita mo kasi yung table, object, maliit. Pero hindi mo siya mabibilang kasi ang tanong, length, yung haba. Okay, next. Capacity of hard disk. Capacity of hard disk. O, halimbawa, capacity ng USB. Tatandaan nyo lang, mabibilang o hindi mabibilang. Mabibilang mo ba? Can you count it? If you can count it. Wala. Ulitin ko, mabibilang mo ba yon? Mabibilang mo po? Sigurado kayo, mabibilang nyo yung capacity? O mame-measure? O, see? Ang continuous pa rin. Uulitin ko. Magkaiba yung nabibilang saka yung nasusukat. Kapag nabibilang, you can count. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. You can count discrete. Pero kung i-measure, continuous. Yan. How about the weight of a person? Nako, time na. Weight ng person. Yan. Correct. Continuous. Next, number of pair of shoes. Okay. Discrete. Kasi number of pair of shoes. Bibilangin mo. Next one. Number of channels. Yan. Pero dahil time na, sino TLE teacher nyo? Time na. O, ito na lang. Sige, last na to. Sabihin ko na yung sagot. Number of pages. Dahil may number, then it is quantitative. Next one. Size ng t-shirt. So, may number din yun. Kaya, quantitative pa rin. Ako na mag-discuss. Next one. Blood type. Halimbawa, blood type mo ay A, B, or O, positive, AB. So, walang number, kaya qualitative. Then, kingdom of plants. So, mga uri to ng plants. Pwede nyo itanong sa mga plants, tita. So, qualitative. And then, speed ng e-bike, dahil meron tong number, then it is quantitative. So, that's all for today. Next class nyo na po. Sayang. Thank you! Grabe yung stat, ang haba na i-discuss. Thank you!